So let's go in the and what we see, what happened. We had this symmetrical triangle, and what we had some break to the downside, so we could here make some profits. We reached our first price at around 9,440, but then we saw consolidation further, so this symmetrical triangle is not valid anymore, obviously. So we see some consolidation, not much happen. Why not much happen? I told you, because we saw on the weekend a pump, and right after, so midnight, a pump, in the morning, Saturday morning, a dump again, and therefore usually when this happens, we see throughout the weekend some consolidation. So this is also what we see right now. So therefore I expecting here that we will see until Sunday evening, so until tomorrow evening, further consolidation. And when the stock market, and on Sunday evening while we are sleeping in Asia Open, we will see huge movement either to the up or downside. It also doesn't matter up or downside, because we are here in this falling wedge, and technically the probability that we are breaking up more than we are breaking down, like I told you. But only if we break here this white line to the upside, we can start to long Bitcoin or Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins, right? So therefore you see we have today the 8th, so in the 9th, so I'm expecting tomorrow that we will see some movement. If we break to the upside, first price tag 20,033, next one 20,300, and here around 20,450, 440, so around 5%, 10x 50, 20x over 100%. Long opportunity. I have to extend this line, wait a minute. And if we break to the downside, we can start to short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, ApeCoin, all these shit coins, you know. The first price tag would be here our yellow line at around 18,880, so 1.8%, 10x 18%, 20x over 36% short opportunity if we break this line to the downside, right? It's very boring, I know, it's like a stable coin, and there's officially news that that the Nasdaq is officially more volatile than Bitcoin. This is very funny, bratan. We are trading on Bybit. Don't forget, you get $4,620 bonus for free through my affiliate link after a certain amount of initial deposit. And if you're trading through my affiliate link, you get free access to my Telegram and Discord channel, which we are building, bratan. And it's very clear, like I told you, the probability that we are breaking up is more likely than we are breaking down. Ethereum, the price targets I told you already, and we have to watch the S&P 500, which will open on Monday, again, Monday at 9:30. And what is very important here to watch, we were in this huge rising wedge. We broke down. Technically, there's still room to go to the downside because we didn't reach yet our price target. It's still 1.5% down to go. So we could see further breakdown to the downside. But what I want to tell you, we are heavily oversold. You see heavily oversold the S&P 500 on the 1 hourly, 15 minute also heavily oversold, on 4 hourly we are also oversold. So therefore we could see some pump to the upside, which would cause at 9:30 stock market open in New York to black on Monday. So therefore, if we are pumped, the S&P 500 see pump, then we'll see also pump on Bitcoin. Watch out, S&P 500 9:30 stock market on Monday will open, and I expecting, like I told you, on Sunday evening while we are sleeping, I expect here to see on Bitcoin a high volatility. Black right now it's lagging. Wait a minute. Expecting to see high volatility. Okay, doesn't matter, brother. Let me here go you again here. Like I told you, I expect right now not much happen. Unfortunately, yes, it's very. I think really good trades you can make on 1 minute or 5 minute chart frame, really zoomed in, because right now there's very boring on the 15 chart frame or 1 hourly, very boring because it's consolidation. 5 minute, 1 minute we could trade, but it's only for professional traders, so watch out. However, Sunday evening, be prepared to for short or for long, doesn't matter. If we break the line to down, so we can short Bitcoin. If we break to the upside, we can long Bitcoin and also all the altcoins, because, you know, like I told you, Bitcoin, what Bitcoin does, if Bitcoin break to the upside, altcoins break to the upside, Bitcoin break to the downside, altcoins break to the downside. Also, it's the same with the S&P 500. S&P 500, if breaking up to the upside, Bitcoin is breaking up to the upside, then altcoins, if S&P 500 break to the downside, Bitcoin break to the downside, and all the altcoins break to the downside. Very clear in my opinion, but don't forget, $4,620 for free. After a certain amount of initial deposit, make sure you prepare for the next trade, bratans. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah! This was a very short episode.